This is Shauna being shocked.
Is it on?
Yep.
Is it doing anything?
It should, no. It's like losing batteries or something. It's like not going. Hang on.
Maybe it has to warm up.
It's gotta like go. Why isn't it working?
Does the other one work?
I can try the one over here. Oh. Yep, here we go. Ready?
How bad is it?
It's not that bad.
It probably is really bad.
Finger bad. Okay, go. No, you have to keep your foot on it.
Stand on it. Just
I'm
jump.
not gonna stop.
Jump on it! Jump,
Shauna!
Shauna,
Okay.
jump on it. Like Mary Poppins.
Is that? It doesn't hurt at all.
Gives me a rush. Wait, does it hurt?
Move your foot a little. You can hear it. Ready? Yes. Ready? Shauna, stop. I can keep my whole foot on it. Ready? Because after you put it on, it just feels like someone's going like this. It's not even that bad. Go.
I'm too scared.
Go.
Ooh. It just went ready. It's like it was in a. Oh, it was like static. It was
I don't like
those. Yeah, but it was a soft.
The what?
I get those.